Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to do this face retouching in Photoshop in an easy way in just under a minute. Let's get started. First, import the image you need to retouch. Then rasterize it and remove the large visible red spots using the spot healing brush tool. Try to remove only the large visible spots. Then duplicate the layer and press Ctrl and I to invert the layer. Then go to Filter, Other and High Pass. Adjust the value until the face gets smooth. Then go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Adjust the value until you see the texture of the skin. Click OK. Add a mask to that layer and invert it. Then choose the white foreground color and choose the brush tool. Brush on the places where the face needs to be softened. And there you have it, a retouched face in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.